Welcome to Car Studio AI's new mobile app, built to upgrade your car listings in seconds. Log in and enter the code to get started. Tap Start Shooting or the orange camera icon. Select your car type, begin shooting, and follow the guidelines to capture perfect shots. Pick an angle to begin. The app switches angles as you go. Choose a studio background or upload your own. Then select a plate cover or upload one of your choice. Preview your results, then adjust or send feedback by tapping the exclamation icon in the top right corner. Name your project and tap Done. You're all set. In Profile, set defaults, background, plate cover, logo, aspect ratio, which apply every time. Out of credits? Tap Plus or contact us. Thanks for choosing Car Studio AI.